Hey, good afternoon. Pakistan, Saudi Arabia, and Turkey has signed a NATO-like defense pact. There was a defense pact already existed between Pakistan and Saudi Arabia in September 2025. It was also NATO-like, but why Turkey is included in this pact? If you have not subscribed the channel, please do that. Subscribe, like, share. It really helps. Anyways, why Turkey now? Actually, everybody knows that the biggest Muslim economy in the world at the moment is Saudi Arabia. Biggest military technology is Turkey. Turkey has a very professional army, military. And then the only nuclear power in the world is Pakistan. Pakistan has the most professional army, professional air force in the world, and Pakistan has shot down 8 jets to 0 in May 2025. India has been defeated, badly humiliated. So Pakistan's stature as a military power, major regional military power in West Asia, South Asia, and Central Asian region has gone up, has shot up. So these three combined, Saudi money and oil, Turkish technology, and Pakistani professional army, very professional air force, and with the nuclear umbrella, will give them a NATO-like power. That is the main crux of this agreement. On the other hand, this agreement also says that an attack on one country will be considered an attack on all of the countries, but I don't believe that. It will be more like just like Pakistan has been helping Saudi Arabia against Iran and telling Iran again and again and again that any attack on Saudi Arabia will be considered an attack on Pakistan as well. So Iran has refrained from attacking Saudi Arabia too much. Iran rather continued its attacks on Israel, UAE, Qatar, Bahrain, Kuwait, Jordan. These six countries, mostly Iran concentrated on. Saudi Arabia was bared, and everybody was watching this. And why Turkey into this? Turkey actually felt at times being isolated, being a member of the NATO. Turkey knows that in any conflict with its major arch rival Greece or Israel, whole of the NATO and America will stand with Greece or Israel. They will not stand with Turkey. Only country Turkey knows that blindly loves Turkey and stand with Turkey day and night. That's Pakistan. So Pakistan's major military power, major status as a major regional power, accepted by European Union. Vice President recently visited Pakistan and said that Pakistan is a major regional power. So Turkey wants Pakistan's backing as well, legally binding. But I believe in case of any conflict, Pakistan will not show its hand. It will secretly help. More and more countries wanna come under Pakistani protection umbrella. Pakistan's military power has been recognized world over, especially Kuwait has signed a defense agreement with Pakistan. Qatar, Azerbaijan wanna come into that. Bahrain desperately wanna join this. So many countries around the world, especially in Middle East, stuck in this war. They wanna join. What's the reaction of India, Israel, and Iran? Iranian minister has said that, especially pointing out to Saudi Arabia, these pacts will not save you. You have to change your course. So Iran is really upset with that because Iran has hegemonic designs. Iran has been long been destabilizing the region with its proxies in Hamas, Hezbollah, Iraqi militias, messing up in Syria, major genocide in Syria by Iranian and Hezbollah forces, and Houthi rebels in Yemen. So Iran is using its proxies. Recently, there was an attack on Saudi Arabia by Iraqi Shia militias, and in retaliation, Saudi killed many of them, more than 20, in which 4 Iranian Revolutionary Guards were killed as well. So Iran's hand is everywhere. Iran want to control the Middle East. So this pact obviously will upset Iran. Iran's hegemonic designs will be disturbed or destroyed in the region because Iran can't mess with Turkey and Pakistan, these two countries. Greater Israel plans are really shattered by this pact as well when Saudi Arabia and Turkey and Pakistan will get together. Israel want to make a greater Israel between River Euphrates in Iraq and River Nile in Egypt, taking over all the countries one by one. It is already doing. It has taken Palestine, parts of Syria and parts of Lebanon. India is also upset with, so Israeli Greater Israel plan is shattered as well. India is really upset by growing stature of Pakistan in the region. So India didn't take it. Indian media is really blah 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 shouting on this pact as well. So at the end of the day, America is viewing it as there is no American reaction, but I think this can't be done without American backing. Why America is gonna back this kind of pact is that is because America thinks that Israel is getting out of control. There is growing anger, anguish against Israel in America. More than 65% Americans don't support Israel now. So this is a major pact, major breaking news, and it will take the whole region to the next level. Pakistan's stature in the region will be shot up, and we have to see how India, Iran, and Israel and UAE will react to this pact and growing stature of Pakistan. Iran is already upset about that. Thank you very much.